Hey, everyone, today we're going to taste the Kettle Cooked chips. You must have already known that I'm going to be doing this by looking at the thumbnail and the title. So yeah, we are going to taste chips from Kettle Studios, and if you're thinking, how do I get such exotic items from, it's not exotic, but it is these kind of items, like, a video that's going to come out tomorrow. Actually, the last video and the next two videos I actually shot before even the Where Was I vlog or where my video like I shot it before going to my grandparents' place. So yeah, shot before. I shot on the like 3 days before, and the Wi-Fi just got out. It didn't work, so I couldn't upload them. And then it backed up to my Google Photos. I downloaded from there, and I'm gonna upload it now for you guys. These are like the last few videos of the year. The year is coming to an end. Time flies really quickly, and yeah, so we don't want the time to fly now on this video. We've already crossed 1 minute 15 seconds, which is it. So we're gonna taste the Kettle Studios Kettle Cooked Gourmet Potato Chips. I took the sharp jalapenos and the cream cheese, because you guys know how much I like cheese. I'm not used to slice, but yeah. So this thing costs like $40, and if you check that in today's conversion rates, that's like, yeah. This is not the kitchen, and this the background is also very different. I'm not moving, guys. Today the prices just changed. Yesterday, or actually today, this morning, before 10 o'clock, the prices were 76.31. I actually want to see it. So like yesterday it was like 76 rupees, now it's like 75.87. So we're gonna put 40 rupees, $40, 53 cents, that's all. Wow, you get a brick in that much. Okay, let's put that out and take chips. They smell really good. They smell like the tangy. They have like the tangy smell. Yesterday I reviewed the worst tasting chips. Yesterday, no, I mean by 2 months ago I reviewed the worst tasting chips. So let's taste it. I'm gonna grab another one. This is a big bowl. Better than those tags chips. Those are the worst tasting chips. I like Kettle Cooked chips. I would give this a solid 6, which is a good rating from me. 6 out of 10. Fantastic. Yeah, so tomorrow, this week is gonna be only like food videos. I did not mention that in yesterday's video, which I shot 2 months ago. So I'm mentioning it now. This whole week will be food videos. The next week will be the 70th special, and a special video that I'm actually going to be filming for you guys after this video. So stay tuned for that. That will be in after Christmas and before New Year. Before New Year, I want to complete all videos, and we will have crossed 100 videos for this year, and we haven't crossed 100 subscribers yet. Yeah, it's too sad to see, but we got at least crossed 70, which is good. So 70 subscribe special and a special video will come out next week. Stay tuned and subscribe. Peace and stay safe. Happy holidays.